Welcome to this technical guide on the Chromebool N20Q10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. In this video, we will address a common issue where your Chromebool N20Q10 won't recognize any USB devices. This problem typically arises from a faulty USB plate, which can prevent your device from communicating with external peripherals. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, such as data transfer issues or the inability to use essential devices like keyboards or storage drives. To get started with this repair, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage to sensitive components. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your Chromebool N20Q10 is powered off and unplugged from any power source. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the device's casing. Start from one corner and gently work your way around to avoid damaging any clips. Once the case is open, you will need to locate the USB plate, which is usually situated near the charging port. Look for any visible signs of damage or disconnection. If you see any loose cables or connectors, take your tweezers to carefully reconnect them. If the USB plate seems faulty, you will need to remove it. Unscrew any screws securing it in place, making sure to keep track of these screws as you will need them later. When removing the plate, be gentle and avoid applying too much force to prevent damaging nearby components. With the old USB plate removed, take your new USB plate and align it carefully before securing it with screws. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. After that, reconnect any cables you may have disconnected earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, carefully reassemble the casing of your Chromebool N20Q10, ensuring that it clicks back into position without forcing it. Power on the device and test if it now recognizes USB devices. You should be good to go. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you are using high-quality USB devices and avoid excessive force when connecting or disconnecting them. Regularly cleaning the USB ports can also help maintain good functionality. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.